Hi guys, how can you remove skin spots and smooth skin in Photoshop like this? First, open your image. Now go to Image Adjustments Levels. Adjust the sliders. Set the right slider around 170. Set the middle slider around 1.36. This will brighten the image slightly. Now unlock the background layer and drag it to the plus icon to create a duplicate copy. Next, change the blending mode of the copied layer to vivid light. After that, go to Image Adjustments Invert. Now go to Filter Other High Pass. Set the radius around 10.0 and press OK. Next, go to Filter Blur Gaussian Blur. Set the radius around 0.5 and press OK. Now add a layer mask to the layer. Then go Image Adjustment, select Invert. Then select the Brush tool. Brush size, around 62 pixels. Brush type, soft round brush foreground. Color, white. Now gently brush over the skin spots, black dots, or unwanted texture areas. Brush softly for a smooth and natural skin retouch effect. And that's it. This is how you can remove skin spots and create a clean skin retouch effect in Photoshop.